Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag for the Yeedi M16 Infinity. If you're interested in the M16, the link to it will be in the video description. Also down below, you'll find our best robot vacuum picks, our best wet dry vacuum picks, and our best cordless vacuum picks. And we have daily vacuum deals that we publish and curate to make sure you're finding the best sales, deals, promo codes, and all that on vacuums today. So make sure you check those links in the video description. Now on the station itself, let's look at it from the overhead camera with the unit on its side. So we have a removable cover here. Just grab it from both sides and gently pull away from the station. Just a couple of plastic tabs keeping it in. And that's going to reveal your vacuum bag, which should be nice and puffy and full. It should look something like that. You can go ahead, you can grab this to remove it. So make sure that that cover's like that to seal up properly so you're not just spilling dirt and dust everywhere. Dispose of your old vacuum bag. You can clean in here if needed. There's actually a removable filter, which is cool. So you could rinse that filter out as needed, put that back in there, take your new vacuum bag, line everything up, and just do this in reverse order. Gently push it down, and there you go. Simple and straightforward to change the vacuum bag for the Yeedi M16 Infinity.